Hi, my name's Chris. Today I'm going to show you some tips on removing Playfield plastics on an older Gottlieb pinball machine. Stay with me. There we go. Before we get started, I want to suggest that you get a hold of one of these handy little tools available on my website, gerberdesigns.com. I'll have the link below in this video. This tool will save you lots of time and perhaps some headache in removing those Playfield plastics. I'll show you how it's used as we get started here. If you like the video, please don't forget to click like and also click on subscribe. This will give you alerts as I make more videos related to arcade machines. Thanks. We'll start off by removing power and opening the front coin door. Release the latch for the lockdown bar and then carefully remove the lockdown bar. Push the latch back into place and close the coin door so it doesn't get in the way while we remove the Playfield glass. Carefully slide out the Playfield glass. Using a 5/16 inch wrench and the pinball post nut tool, place the post nut tool between the top of the post and the bottom of the Playfield plastic. This tool is thin enough to go between there easily. Secure it to the post and start to loosen the post nut. When you're ready to reassemble, confirm that the posts are tight. Reinstall the Playfield plastic. Start the nuts by hand. Again, using the post nut tool and the wrench, tighten the nuts. Do not over tighten. You can use either angled position of the post nut tool. Once the Playfield plastics are all back on, reassemble the Playfield glass and lockdown bar and enjoy playing some pinball. Thanks for watching these videos, and please subscribe and like. Also down below you'll find the link to the handy tool referenced in the video at gerberdesigns.com.